How to turn on location on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. This is the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Then, go to Device Permissions. From here, go to Location and tap on See Info beside it. Tap on Update Settings below. Then, tap on Open Device Settings. You will now be brought to this page on the Settings app. Here, tap on Location. Select while using the app. This means that Facebook will only have access to your location while you are using it. You can change this setting from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on location on Facebook.